Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about the silent E in English. And this is a letter that we see a lot in English at the end of a word. So at the finish of a word. And we're going to look at some examples today. So let's look at Sam. This is Sam. S-A-M we pronounce Sam. But when we put an E onto the word, we get the word same. They're the same. This is Sam and his brother Jack. They're the same. They're twins. So we go from Sam to same. So what happens? The sound changes. So in Sam, the A, we say ah, Sam, because there's no E. So the A is ah. But when we put an E on, the E changes the A sound, and it makes it A. So really the E makes the A say the name of the letter. So it goes from Sam to same. So if we have an E at the end here, it changes the A to say A. So let's look at some more examples. Here we have, these are the same words, but just with the E. This is at, but when we put the E on, the A changes to A, and the word is 8. At 8. Let's look at the next one. We have can, and we have cane. Again, we put on the E and the A sound changes. We don't say the E, but the E changes this A. A cane is something that maybe an old person would use to help them walk, like a stick. So this is can, cane. Here we have fat. Again, the A with no E is just ah, fat. We put an E on, this becomes fate. Fate, your fate is your future. What's going to happen to you in the future. This is mat. Mat is like a rug. You have a mat in your bathroom. Mate. The E changes the A. A mate is a friend. And we have tap. And we have tape. So, tap and tape. This is tap. These are two taps to get water. This is tape. The E changes the A. So let's look at some more examples and see if you can spell the words just from the sound. So this is page. P-A-G-E. We know that the A has to sound like A. So this is page. Let's look at the next word. What's this in English? This is tape. How do you spell it? Well, we have 4 letters. First letter is T. Now all of these words finish with E. They end in E. So tape, but they all have an A as well. T-A-B-E. Tape. Next one. Again, the last letter is always E in all of these words. So how do you spell it? G. So this is a game. You can see the board. It's a game. How do you spell game? G-A-M-E. We don't say the E, but it changes the A. Let's look at the next one. What's this word? What do you do with cookies, biscuits, cake? Put it in the oven, you bake. Exactly, bake. So how do we spell bake? B-A. What's the next one? K. It's a K here. And the last letter? E. The last letter is always E in all of these words. This one is, what is this in English? This is a cake. So how do we spell this? It's like bake, bake a cake. So it's C-A, next letter, K, and the last letter is always E. It's good. This one, the 14th of September, the 16th of August, the 12th of July. What is this? All of these have the same letter in the middle. The letter is A. This is date. It's the date. D-A-T. And what's the last letter? E. Exactly. The last letter is always E in all of these words. What's this? If the last letter is E, how do we finish it? Face. Of course, it's face. Let's look at the next word. The next word is... Well, what do you think? The last letter is E. What do you think the word is with an A as the second letter? A. Take. Take a biscuit. Take a cookie. That's right. Okay, so this, you have to do a little bit of work here. I'm going to give you a sentence. You have to decide which word we use with A in the middle and E at the end to complete the sentence. So, number 1. I something bread every week. So, which one of the words that we looked at is this? The take, face, date, cake, bake, game, tape, or page? Well, what do we do with bread? We bake bread. So how do you spell bake? B-A-K-E. I bake bread. That's number 1. The next one you have to do. So number 2, the something today is May 26th. What's the word we need? What's the missing word? Number 3. I had a delicious something for my birthday party. I had a delicious something for my birthday party. Which word do we use? Number 4. I looked at my something in the mirror. This is mirror. Which one of the A words with E at the end do we use? Number 5. We played a something after dinner. It was fun. And number 6. My glasses broke, so I fixed them with something. Again, we need a word ending in E, finishing in E, with A in the middle. One of these words. Okay, that's some work for you to do. That's our class for today. Please just remember, if we have an A, only an A, we say Sam. If we have an E at the end, the A changes. It becomes same. Sam, same. Thanks for watching today.